Kelly Barnes Dam was an earthen embankment dam in Stevens County, Georgia, just outside the city of Toccoa. Heavy rainfall caused it to collapse on November 6, 1977, and the resulting flood killed 39 people and caused $2.8 million in damage. The dam was never rebuilt. A memorial to the dead stands downstream by Toccoa Falls on the campus of Toccoa Falls College. In 1899, a rock crib dam was built by E.P. Simpson to create a reservoir for a small hydroelectric power plant that began operating that same year. The plant, now a historical site on the Toccoa Falls College campus called the Old Toccoa Falls Power Plant, produced 200 kilowatts for the town of Toccoa, Georgia. The power plant was transferred in 1933 to the Toccoa Falls Institute, which decided to develop a more stable electric power source and built an earthen embankment dam over the original rock crib dam between 1939 and 1940. After World War II, the dam was again raised, creating Barnes Lake, a 40-acre reservoir. The modifications provided power for Toccoa Falls Institute until 1957, when the power production was stopped and the lake was thereafter used only for recreation. The dam was modified several times, ultimately measuring 38 feet high, 400 feet long and 20 feet wide at its crest. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.